Fit check.
Good morning vlog, about to be a great day. Doing sack tonight.
Oh, snake in a basket.
Dude, shout out Elroy. Used. Yeah, Zach!
Go,
Try harder! Yeah!
She'll be coming around the mountain as she comes.
First day of school. Yo guys, we made it to class. What's it called? Discrete structures. Front row academic lesson. We're playing some pool. Montana State billiards room. Oh! Oh! Who do you think you are? I am. Dining hall. Miller. Loving my day at Montana State. Shout out Travis for letting me borrow his backpack so I look natural.
No way. He's looking. No way. He wants it. He's going to the Jazz. Dead butterfly prank on Peter. Damn it, fuck. Couple young goats.
Oh, baby John.
Wind is ripping. Much wind and Peter's about to rip the kite. Let's go. Let's go. Holy shit. Every time we go on one of these night hikes, it turns into a really scary experience. Oh God! Oh God!
Wait, should we make it seem like there's a bear?
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh shit!